What's up, guys? So it's finally the weekend, and I told you I was getting something new that was supposed to be coming in for the car, and it had actually just showed up not too long ago. So let's go ahead and start unboxing and looking at it. Alright, well, it was already untaped somehow and kind of halfway open. That's always a good thing. This thing is huge. Golly. Alright, so you can't already tell I did end up getting a cold air intake. I need to start opening some of this stuff though too. I ended up getting a JLT cold air intake. The only reason I went with this one is just because I don't really want to just like get in the fender well every time that I have to change it or anything. This one sits up right there. It was either this one or air raid that sat up like not in the fender well, and I didn't really want to pay $350 or $400, whatever it is, for an air raid. I didn't want to pay that for just a cold air intake. This one was only $250, so I guess it wasn't the worst price in the world. But I mean, the cold air intake, it's not like I'm gonna really notice that much of a difference from it. I am probably gonna go and turn the car around just so I'm not working in the sun. I would keep the door closed, but it's like really, really hot in here. So I'm gonna go and move the car around. Yeah, but what I was saying was pretty much the only reason I went with the JLT, is just because the filter will be able to sit right here, which now that I'm looking at it, that thing is huge, but it should be able to sit right there instead of going in the fender well, because I heard that you have to like get under there and then you have to like take off fender liner and all that just to be able to put the filter on, to have somebody hold it from both sides. But this one should be easier to change and clean whenever I have to do that. I didn't really know which one to get because I was reading that the plastic, they do get heat soaked. But I mean, so does the aluminum or the metal ones, whatever they're made out of. They do too, it's just these cool down quicker, and all these people were talking about like performance gains and losses, and I mean, honestly, it's just a cold air intake. It ain't gonna really do that much and benefit that much. And then some people were saying that it gets hotter and brings more hot air in if it's sitting right here instead of the fender well, saying that that's why the stock one's designed to be able to get air to go through the fender well. Because I mean, I don't know if you can really see it, but it's like a little tubing that just sucks air in. But I mean, then again, like how much cold air is actually really coming through there. So I don't know, that's just one I went with. I've seen decent reviews, a lot of new edge people, even though it was from forums a while ago, a lot of them were saying that JLT is the way to go. So I figured I would go ahead and try it. You guys see what I see? Got a sticker. Oh, this stuff's so hot. That's a big boy. Dang, dude, this thing's like actually decently heavy. This on out. Which I will say, a lot of people just say that like you could just like take the silencer out, and then you could just throw a K&N filter in there and you'll have the same exact effect of putting a new filter. I need to clean down here. This is disgusting. So you got your little gasket, just to go in there. Like so. And then where'd I put the bolts? Right here. So I finally got the mass airflow stuff put together, and the screws that it came with didn't even thread into there, so. I don't know yet. So I finally got everything buttoned up and all that. So I'm gonna go ahead and probably try to start the car. Make sure nothing's like loose or anything weird. O'clock. My GoPro is about to die, so I don't really know how much I'm gonna be able to film. But most likely I'll probably be able to do something tomorrow. Somebody's kind of getting it. I don't drive this thing at night, so my headlights aren't really adjusted that good. So I can't really see too much. I was like short shifting it though, so I couldn't really tell, I guess. Yeah. I mean, I'm sure if I would have tuned it after that, I'm sure I'd notice it. Like instead of tuning her, I got swapped. Should've like lit the throttle out there, but I'm in kind of middle of town now, so I can't. I mean, I can. I just don't think I should. I do feel like I did hear it a little bit.
Driving by all the people down here.
Oh! I think it's already, oh my god, I think I broke my nose. Well, I got distracted because I forgot my phone was charging. Alright, so I guess I'm gonna probably pick up this video the next day. The GoPro's about to die, so I guess I'll see you guys tomorrow. So it is now the next day, and I did forget to mention that the intake, it did actually come with a heat shield that I could end up sitting, I don't know if there it goes. It would end up sitting like right there. I'm honestly probably gonna leave it off for now just because obviously it looks a lot better. And if I do end up noticing a difference in anything, I will put it on. But I personally, I don't think it's gonna be that much of a difference with having a heat shield or not. So I just forgot to say that, and I will say that if you do end up getting this kit, these little bolts that it comes with is what's supposed to go into the mass airflow. If you can see, that's where the bolt's supposed to go, and it's just not even long enough at all. So also I improvised a little bit, put some different bolts in there. Honestly, I thought I was going to be able to hear it a lot more, which I haven't really gotten to like full throttle or anything, but so far I don't really hear too much of anything, maybe a little bit, but I was saying that loud, but maybe it is loud enough where I can't really hear it. Maybe if I had the windows up, maybe it'll be a little bit different, I don't know. Oh yeah, I can definitely hear it a little bit with the windows down. I don't know if you guys could pick that up. I'm gonna try to pull up here though. feel like it did pick up a little bit. I feel a little bit more of a throttle response. Maybe, I mean, it just felt like a little bit different than usual. It's not that much difference though. Well, I guess that's pretty much gonna be the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I know it wasn't nothing special, but honestly I did have a lot of fun just having like an install video and a GoPro on my head. I don't know, I just feel like, personally I've always liked watching those videos in a way. Let me know if you guys like this style of video. Other than that, follow me on my Instagram right here on the screen. And thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you guys next time.